This is my heavy-duty 3/4 inch natural gas line. I've got a 3/4 inch line run from my meter all the way over to that post that holds up my lattice work that I run my barbecue grill off of. The bottom one that you saw in the video is 3/4 inch. The next one is a half, which runs a log lighter in my big black smoker, and then the bottom one is a standard quick disconnect for a gas grill or a turkey fryer. I've done some modifications to the generator. It has an hour meter on it. It came with a low oil indicator system, and so far I appear to not have lost any oil as everything, the light is not turned on, and so far it has not seized. I had a ground wire connected to, I had a ground wire installed, and you probably saw a automobile jumper cable that's going from the ground on the, look outside where it's pretty, it's going from the ground on the generator to my ground that goes 8 feet into the ground. You've got to be very careful with generators, because if they can go off, they can short, and usually you use them in inclement weather and you're standing in ice, snow, water, and when you touch the cage or touch any part of it, it has rubber feet and plastic tires, so you become the ground, and you're taking the full 7,000 watts at 240. So it has the big disconnect that I can run, I guess it's 32. I think I'm running two 20 amp 120s, which makes 20 amps of 240. And I have the natural gas adapter on it. And then I have it locked with a Python cable to my black smoker that weighs about 500 pounds. And I think it's now frozen to the ground, so it would be hard for somebody to steal it. The first few nights, I stayed up watching it to make sure that somebody didn't steal it, because it was running and everything else in the neighborhood was quiet and dark. I think that's it. In the summer, I can run the natural gas, and it will run, and it runs the air conditioner. It runs the whole house if we're careful. Natural gas derates the generator by 15, maybe to 20%, because it doesn't have the energy that gasoline does. So there's a trade-off there, but by doing it, you don't ever have to go to the gas station, which I'm about to go do for probably the 6th time, and you don't have to change the oil, but maybe once every 100 hours, 150 hours, 200 hours, whereas otherwise I'm supposed to be changing it every 50 hours or something. And I don't think my hour timer is working properly. It only showed I had 48 hours on it, and I've got to have closer to 72, but at least it's an indicator. So hope that explains how I'm doing all this. Linda now knows how, when she hears the squealer, that the power's back on, and she knows how to go in the back and turn off the generator. Not turn it off, but just take it out of circuit. And then if we lose power again, she knows how to go back and re-energize the generator into the house and turn the switch back on for encore.